Hi Capricorn, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Capricorn. For your general energies, career situation, and relationship, we are picking these cards. So, these are for your general energies, Capricorn. This is for your relationship, and this is for your career situation. And today we'll be picking a message card. This will be the message from your person, and one fortune cookie for you all today. That will be your lucky inspiration. If you like this reading and if it resonates, Capricorn, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. And if you are interested in a personal reading, I have a very good friend of mine doing personal reading in Fever. So you can contact her. So let's start the reading with these cards for your general energies. So today we have tree, choices, and garden. So Capricorn, in your circumstances, maybe in your work or in your relationship, you are building a safe and a secure life for yourself. Something good is happening, your work is stabilizing, you are able to find that balance between work and your relationship, maybe personal life. And you are a person who has a lot of choices, lot of good choices. You may have huge opportunities in your work situation, something that is making you truly happy, something that is taking you towards success, increasing your work potential, and something you are really happy about in your career, or it may be in your relationship. You have a beautiful understanding with this person, you love them, you are building a beautiful, meaningful relationship with this person, you are spending time with this person, and you love to spend time with them, and you are thinking of options for the next step. Maybe you are thinking of living with this person or marriage, engagement. So you are thinking of commitment and you are dreaming about the future of this relationship. So things are going in a very positive way. And even though you may have some minor problems, maybe there may be some arguments regarding something between you both, but whatever it is, you are moving towards a very stable, beautiful, and a positive relationship. And this person loves your company and you love their company, and maybe today you are spending time together, planning to spend time together, meeting your friends or family members. So something positive is what is happening today, and you have a very good understanding with this person. That may be the reason, maybe for some of you they are planning to meet your family or make you meet their family. So they love you and they want a committed and a positive relationship with you. That may be the reason they want you to meet everyone they have. So for your relationship, we have Fox. So we have a negative card here, guys. Maybe this person looks like someone really good, someone trustworthy, someone you love, but maybe they may have certain intentions that may not be good, or it may be someone in your life. Maybe there is a person who is against this love you have, and maybe they are what to say working against you, or trying to bring or trying to separate you both. So this person is not to be trusted. Maybe if you have someone like that today in your life, you need to be really careful, Capricorn. So this person is working against this relationship and against this love. Or maybe if you feel that this may be your person, maybe they are looking like someone good, but in truth they are not that. They may have some bad intentions. If you feel that this may be your person, then you need to be careful. Think twice before you are thinking of marriage or commitment, Capricorn. So let's see what is the card for your career situation. We have House. So in your work, things are stabilizing, everything falling into place, things are going in the right way, and you are building a safe and secure future for yourself, and you know what will work based on your experience, what is the right choice, and what will work well in your work circumstances. And so now we come to the message from your person. Let's see what it is. You are the only person who truly gets me. So this person just tells you that, or they feel that you are the one who knows the truth about them. It may be something good, or it may be something bad they know about, you know about them. But whatever it is, you have a clear understanding of this person. That is what this card means, and that is what they feel about you in this connection. They feel that you are the only one who knows everything about them. So that is what I see with these cards, Capricorn. And so now the fortune cookie for you all today. So we have surprise. A disappointment will be followed by a pleasant surprise. An invitation could bring love to those searching. So maybe things are, things are changing today in your life, Capricorn. There may be some troubles, but you are going to see some good changes also today. So that is the energy here, and that is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. Thanks again, guys. I will see you tomorrow, Capricorn. Bye, guys.